In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money even in this quarantine, guaranteed. Hey guys, Satish, Gaire here from Dallas, Texas. Now, I've been getting a lot of DMs on my Instagram and also a lot of messages on my Facebook. A lot of you guys want to know how to make, or what can you do to make money in these times. And I said, I have to teach you guys something that's gonna help you either with a side income or actually help you make a living, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you, I won't be teaching you, things like, filling out surveys or doing some silly stuff. I'll be teaching you exactly 4 things that you can do starting today to actually turn it into an actual business that you can actually rely on even after quarantine. That's a guarantee. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about 4 things today that you can do starting today, right now, and be making money like by tomorrow. That's a guarantee. So let's go ahead and go over those 4 things right now. Before that, I want to let you guys know that every Friday is a Good Friday in my channel. What does that mean? That means that every Friday I teach you guys how to make money in something new, innovative way. So make sure, if you want to know all that stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. If you want to see, if you love making money, hit that subscribe button right now, and I promise to deliver you a video every Friday where I teach you how to make money with something new, something innovative. Does that make sense? Cool. Let's move on. So first way to make money. So number 1 is called domaining. Domaining means, an art of buying and selling a domain name. You're thinking, what the hell is a domain name? You're on one right now. So I think I'm going to utilize paper today instead of my tablet. So right now you're on youtube.com, right? So YouTube is a domain name. Now you could be going to Google. Now Google is also a domain name. So what you will do is you'll buy a domain name from sites like GoDaddy, Register, a lot of other places, and you'll buy a domain name that looks something like this, cooldomain.com, and you'll get them for like 99 cents or like $10, right? And I'll show you how to actually flip it, meaning sell it for like 500, 600, $1,000. Super easy. That's called domaining. Now, to learn domaining, you don't really need to spend a lot of time. You can actually do it like right now and be making money like by a couple of hours from right now or tomorrow. I actually wrote a book, entire book. Okay, you don't have to buy this book, but I did actually write an entire book on this topic, so I know a thing or two. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for you guys is link you to a video on description where I talk more about it. It's free, so I'm not gonna ask you to pay for anything, so it's all free. I'm gonna show you, there's a link on the description, and I'm gonna have my editor add a something somewhere here where you can watch my other video where I teach you how to make money through domaining, buying and selling domains. This is my book, Domain Millionaire. Again, you don't have to buy this. I'm showing it to you guys that, hey, I wrote all this content, so I can't teach you about this. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2. Now, a lot of people think that, hey, blogging is outdated. You can't do it. Hey, prove me it's not outdated. I'm here to tell you that, hey, you can still make money through domain and through blogging. Okay, so what you need is at least $5. If you have $5, you can get it done. So the idea is to start a blog and start selling affiliated products. So I made a different video. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the description and somewhere here, and click on it and watch it in detail on how you can make money by through a blog. It doesn't take much. All you gotta need is $5 and a little bit of time. That's all you need. So that's number 2. And number 3 is drop shipping. So what is drop shipping? Drop shipping means that, okay, so for example, these headphones, right? So what you can do is sell things like headphones, books, laptops, TVs without ever owning one. The idea is, okay, so I'm gonna go to a wholesale or broker's website. I'm gonna go ahead and get these pictures of these headphones, and I'm gonna put it on a site or Amazon or other places, right? And when people buy it, I tell my wholesaler, my broker, hey, can you ship these headphones to this guy? Boom. And that's how you can actually make a profit. So let's say, they're selling the headphones for $100, example, and you list it for $120, okay? and whenever you get a sale, you tell them, hey, here's the money. So what you do is you make that 20 bucks profit. See the idea? Without, having a warehouse or, leaving your home. So that was number 3, drop shipping. So I'll add another video where you can learn more about drop shipping, and the video link will be on description as well. Now number 4 is virtual assistant. Okay, virtual assistant means VA, what we call as somebody. So I have 6 VAs. So 6 VAs, these are people around the world who are helping me run my business. And I pay them money so they can, write my emails, check my emails, and book meetings, get me leads, things like that. So, and you can do that as well. So what you do is you go to a website called Upwork.com or freelancer.com, and you sign up there. And once you sign up, you'll be able to apply for a job as a VA, virtual assistant, and you can be helping out other people and making money per hour, per week, per month, and so on and so on. I'll put in the link to the video, to the more information on my description as well. All those videos are free to watch. They're on YouTube. I just wanted to give you those 4 things that can actually help you, okay? So take care of those. So domaining, okay? Blogging, drop shipping, and VA. So 4 things that you can do to make money even in times like these. Okay, we got it, we're good. So if you love making money, go ahead and hit that like button so I can make more videos like this for you every single day. So I'm trying to go ahead and make you guys a video every single, that's my goal, and I'll be able to do that if you go ahead and subscribe right now on the video. Make sure to go to my channel. There's so many videos. I've done a video every day for a long time, and where I teach you new ways to make money, sales, marketing, everything. Okay, I teach you all that. Okay, make sure to do that. Okay, also make sure to subscribe on follow me on Instagram and also on Facebook, and I'll see you around. Thank you so much, and please on the comments let me know if you have any questions, concerns, any question. I'll personally get back to you. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.